Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on create and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on create a board. And once you click on create a board, you're, going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them and you can change their descriptions, you can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency, estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around.
Let's say, for example, you're into politics, okay? I know. Let's say you want to get this video from yesterday's debate, right? And you want to cut this video into 10 small shorts. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to click on the three dots under the video and then we're going to click share. We're going to copy the link, okay? Pay attention, this video it's around 10 minutes long, okay? Now, after we copy the link, I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to find this app over here. It's called Opus Pro. Okay, it's not Opus AI. I see this many people making this mistake coming on Opus AI. It's Opus Pro. Okay, you want to click on Opus Pro, and this is where you're going to sign up for free, and you're going to paste the link that we just copied. Okay, the main point over here is that they will generate 10 short videos and they're gonna send you an email when the videos are ready. You don't have to stay on this page at all. So just paste the link, click get clips over here, and they're gonna send you 10 shorts. The shorts will look like this with captions. You can select the styles, and the each post will be coming with ranking, ranked from 1 to 10 with the highest chance of getting viral. Okay, number 1 will be the highest chance of the video getting viral, number 10 will be the less likelihood, and they will be coming with small description, right? So you can actually use it. It's very easy, guys. Again, it's free. You will have a certain amount of credits, okay? So after you run out of credits, then you can opt in for the paid subscription and the other version with unlimited credits. But essentially, this is how you start. Just get your feet wet, see what works for you, what doesn't, and then move on. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go through the Copilot AI assistant from Bing. AI Copilot is simply helping you to analyze and distinguish a very complicated material, studying material that can simply analyze information for you and give you analysis. Let's dive into the actual functions and let's see what is the main point of using the Copilot versus using the Bing Chat AI or using Bing AI or using ChatGPT. So in our example over here, we are going to ask what were the top performing stocks in 2023, excuse me. Now we're sending the algorithm going back through the whole Bing search, try to identify the top performing US stocks. Okay, just look at this. The top performing stocks in 2023 among the companies that trade in the major US exchanges with capitalization of at least $1 billion were Gene Medical International, 3000%. Soleno Therapeutics, okay. Carvana, 1000%. Carvana, my dear friends. Okay, Bridge Bio. Wow, that's amazing, guys. So you see how you can get any financial information, and they also give you a couple of links underneath. How about best performed crypto in 2023? Let's see, can we get some information about the cryptocurrencies as well? It's very, very interesting. And then, guys, we're going to ask for particular suggestions or predictions. The best performing cryptocurrencies of 2023 with a market cap of at least 300 million were Conflux 700%, guys, Injective 600%, Singularity Net 400%, Render Token, Solana 161, Bitcoin 152, Ripple 127, Compound 126, Autos, Lido. Unbelievable. So guys, here is how you can actually extract financial information very quick with just like a couple of clicks without the need to spend an hours, going through different analysis or trying to find something that is spread within like different blocks, different charts. With 2-3 clicks you get where you're going. Can you tell us what are the market expectations for these stocks and cryptos in 2024? Right now we want to get what Wall Street is saying, what analysts are saying, what advisors are saying. These people are going on CNBC till they're talking, and all this has been left as a interview information on the net. So let's see, can Bing actually go out and find this and interface, searching for market expectations. Doing good. Actually, I would say that now the Copilot is doing very, very well, much better than asking for a business plan or something of sort of. Okay, now when we ask a very detailed information and using the precise setting on the filter, this is how you get things done, guys. Now the Copilot is extracting the information about what is the market set as a ratings, buy, sell, and they also give us the expectations for the price target. So they're expecting the highs and the lows. They're expecting the stock to outperform, beat previous year, or simply reach its peak and converge. So this is something very interesting. This is how you extract majority of the information, guys. I would say this is probably one of the best prompts, the best way to utilize the Copilot so far I've seen. And you need to know exactly which AI tool is doing the best job in what, so you can differentiate your choices when you have a multitasking. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.
Free AI video generator. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a free AI video in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Synthesia in a very quick way. So Synthesia is basically a generation platform where you can create an AI video using these AI models over here and some texts, okay? And it's totally free, no credit card required. Just sign up with their page and they give you 140 plus avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and 60 plus pre-designed templates. You can also create your own avatar, but that does take some cost. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. They're going to give you a standard avatar. You can add videos over it, and then you can also add text prompts under it. So synthesia.io, use it right now and get the best free video AI generations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make any type of YouTube video in the easiest way using this platform called Pictory AI. So first of all, to start things off, Pictory AI was made for YouTube creators, because Pictory, as it says, uses the AI technology to give you one of the greatest things and elements to improve your video editing and video creation. Now, why do YouTubers actually love picking Pictory? So obviously, you can create a faceless YouTube channel, or you can edit videos of yourself of speaking into a camera. Pictory gives you all the solutions. You get a powerful AI assistant, where you can do text to speech, you can do actual, copywriting, you have resizing, and it does not blur the video out. It does not kill the pixels. It has a media library of massive number of elements. There's so many things that you can work with. And then, you can get a text to speech AI with the right voice to give your faceless YouTube channel a big punch. Then it's PC and Mac compatible, so any compatibility works. You can, start from text, paste your scripts, and get a text to speech. You can get recorded videos of yourself. You get customized branding settings, and then you can preview, generate, and share different videos for yourself. So it's really fun to use this, and it's really fun to get your head around these types of features for yourself. Okay. So that's the general idea of using Pictory, and that is how you can create videos on YouTube with Pictory AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI image generator inside the Canva app. It's a little different. We did couple of videos prior, we made couple of examples and case studies. If you're curious, you can see our results. We create a brand image, we create couple of prototypes for products, so you can check out these videos as well. In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to create something different. So the first thing, you want to come over here at canva.com and you want to click on apps. Then you want to go over and find DALI. So how you're going to go over here about simply choosing creating something from scratch like we're going to do over here, or using an existing design. If you already had certain projects in Canva, you can simply import them here. Let's click on use a completely new design. And in this example over here guys, we are going to create Instagram story, and this Instagram story will be different simply because we're going to utilize something that no one expects to see. Remember, Instagram stories are usually something that you have experienced or something that you saw on the street somewhere. It's extraordinary, it's right here right now happening. Okay, so we're going to set a command, create a story image where person walks in the jungle and sees a giant monkey. Make it look like it's a selfie taken image. Pretty complicated script, pretty complicated prompt. Let's see what are the results. The main difference is that DALI will only give you 2 variations of the actual creation, while if you use a Magic Studio here on Canva, you're going to get 4. And I think this is hilarious. Okay, so I think people will be clicking on the second one most likely. It's not perfect, it's not amazing. I honestly like more Magic Studio AI. I have made plenty of videos on it. You can guys check it out and see what we actually get out of it. That it's okay, it's not perfect. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use Invideo AI. There is a link pinned in the comments. This is my affiliate link. You can guys use it to sign in, to log in, and to use it to explore the app. There is a free plan that you can actually guys use. So go ahead, and if you're interested, you want to make sure that you learn more about it. Let me give you a brief overview of the app. This is where you're going to come and you're going to log in or create your account. There is 2 options to do it. First of all, we gotta break down that there is a mobile app for Invideo for the iOS, okay, for the iPhones, and there is a desktop version which everyone knows, everyone uses. So when you click on try Invideo AI, this is where you're gonna be prompted to use your Gmail account, your Apple ID, or your Gmail. Okay, you can log in with your Google account as well. So essentially, you want to make sure that before you sign up, you know exactly what are the plans and how Invideo actually works. let me give you a quick rundown. Okay, first of all is the free plan. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of work with AI generative. Okay, so this will give you 10 minutes. That's it. I know it's very little. That's the free plan, but you're going to get the 10 gigabytes of storage for exports with the watermark of Invideo, of course, and 2.5 million of standard media. So you're not gonna get the iStock, but you're gonna get like a standard media pieces of content that probably a lot of people already downloaded, created, and uploaded somewhere else. So it's not going to be your best shot, but something that you can play, you can see how is it, how does it work, you can practice. The second plan is the plus $20 a month. You're going to get 50 minutes of AI generative. You're going to get 80 stock footages, stock content per month. You're going to get 100 gigs of storage. You're going to get unlimited exports, and you're going to get up to one user. The last plan is the most expensive, guys. It's $48 a month. This plan gives you 200 minutes of AI generative, and you're going to get 320 different iStock content pieces. This is going to be per month again. You're going to get 400 gigs of storage. You're going to get unlimited exports, but still you're going to get up to one user. So for corporates, for multi-account logins, you gotta contact them. Check out the link in the comment that is pinned, guys, if you are interested and if you want to explore the app. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Dalio inside the Canva app. Very easy, very simple. The first step, of course, will be to log in into your Canva account, and then you have to go to Discover Apps section. When you come over here, guys, you want to click on the filter on the top over here, and you want to filter all the apps with the AI powered. So this will help you to see all the current apps that are using AI and they're producing content based on the AI. So in this example, I'm going to use Dalio. We made probably 15 different videos yesterday on Magic Studio from AI image generator from Canva. So guys, you want to make sure that you check these videos as well. Let's jump into Dalio. Let's click on it. The way how Dalio works inside Canva is that you will have the option to edit already pre-made content, picture, video, or you essentially can create a brand new design over here. For this example, I am going to click new design. So guys, we're going to create a logo with Dalio. Okay, so if you didn't use Dalio prior, Dalio is a little different if you if you use the other AI tools, because Dalio over here doesn't have any additional filters. So everything what you type in the prompt will be what you're going to get. With Magic Studio, we had an option where you choose the style. Is it going to be animation? Is it going to be vintage look like? So it's like a different styles, different designs. Also, you have an option to change the aspect ratio with Magic Studio. Here, it's pretty random, but the results sometimes are amazing. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create something cool. So we're going to ask Dalio to create an electric scooter, okay, based on Tesla's car design. Okay, and also we are going to see, make it as realistic as possible for product prototype. Boom, let's generate and let's see what results we're going to get. With Dalio, we're going to get only 2 variations of the prompt in terms of content. With Magic Studio, you're going to get 4 each time. Also, the credits that you're going to get with Dalio are much less versus the credits you're going to get with Magic Media. So now, as you can see over here, we can still change the results by simply adding more inside our prompt as a text, but we can click on the image itself and we can essentially drag the edges so we can make it larger from one side to the other. The good thing that is, because it's generated from AI, it is not going to reduce the quality of the actual image. It's not like the usual JPEGs. Okay, so now if I zoom out, guys, you will see that yeah, it is not perfect, it is not amazing. I would say it looks futuristic, but definitely not what I was expecting. uh, I think probably if we did a little more description, and probably if we had a little more context towards the prototype, probably we could have a better results. But essentially, guys, this is how you are going to use the whole Dalio with Canva, and this is how you can utilize the prompts.
So this voice changer that we have is called Voice Dash Swap AI, okay? And you can simply write music AI voice changer over here and you can get this in the top. Obviously, we have voice mod as well, which is one of the most famous ones when it comes to Discord, but obviously we're going to use voice swap because voice swap was only made for, musicians. Now, basically, you can try it pretty simply. Obviously, it has its pricings and all that you are going to need to go ahead with. So you're gonna sign up with your emails and all. Now, once you sign in, it takes you to the verification sections. It takes you to the mailing sections. So just go ahead and verify yourself. And once you verify yourself, it takes you into the obvious in-depth workings and analysis of how this software is supposed to work with you. So this is how it's gonna look. You have all these artists that you can work with. Now, you're going to click on any artist to get started. You have session artists as well. These are obviously AI. So I'm going to go ahead with this person over here, Chuck Roberts. And once you go over here, you're just going to choose. See, Chuck Roberts is one of the house music's most iconic notes. I waited all day. I stayed up all night by the phone way. So you can see that this person's voice is AI and it's pretty good. So you can write any type of text you want to, or drag or upload your own mic audio, and they will obviously convert it. And here you're also going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro. Okay, so once you have Canva Pro, it says Magic Media. You're going to click on Use an Existing Design. Okay, you're going to go to any project of yours, or you can obviously use it in a new design as well. So I'm going to go with custom size, or you can use any recurring size that you have. Let's say I'm going to go with Instagram story. Now over here, we're going to wait for things to load in. And once things load in for us, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to add, actual prompts in it. So let's say I'm going to write toy car driving and actual car, pretty random prompt. But we're going to, click on enter, and it's going to load us our prompts in really quickly. So you're just going to want to go ahead and add those prompts for yourself. So let's wait for it to load in. And obviously it's going to take a few seconds, but there you go. So now it's loaded, and look at the quality of these images. Now, the main basic components of editing in CapCut are pretty simple to get your head along. So you're going to come here, obviously choose your aspect ratio. Once you do that, you're going to click on upload video. So once you do that, here you can see I have a video. I'm just going to paste it over here, and it comes into the timeline. Now, once you have it over here, you get quite a lot of tools. So here's the split tool over here where you can split different aspects of the video. Obviously, choose the video before splitting. Then there's split scene where you can automatically find scenes in a video and split the video into several clips, which is basically AI related. Then you can download a certain clip if you want to. You can flip a clip horizontally if you want to. So if you come here, look at that. This clip is flipped. Then you have cropping, reversing, and all the main components on this side. And these are the editorial designing tools on the right side with audio, animation, speed, background, and all. And there's elements that you can add, transcriptions, effects, transitions, filters, and a whole lot more. So these are the CapCut editing components, and it's pretty simple to edit on this, and this is how you're going to do it.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a TikTok video like a pro. Let's launch the app and let's pick up the video that we want to upload today. I select this small short video from the Central Park. First thing that you want to do is you want to click on the lower arrow, so you will extend the settings. Now you'll be able to see all the available functionalities and things that you can actually change on your video. Let's start with the basics. Let's start with the captions, especially if you have a video in which you wanna, serve a message to the people, so people will be able to read and understand you much better. In our case, we do have people singing in the park, so I am going to keep the subtitles, the captions, and I'm going to edit them. I'm gonna make them pop up by putting a background with white color. Then you can hold the captions with your finger and slide them to the lower end of the screen, so you will have a better positioning. Second thing that it is very important is, of course, the filters. We want to make, especially when the video is taken outside, you want to make the whole footage pop out. In this our case, we use the worm, so you see how the foliage at the back popped out. It's very nice. It's very important, especially if the video is taken outside. Another thing that also is very important is that you will see that you have the option to use text. You can use text in this particular case for simply put a title, so you can direct the audience what they're expecting to see, or you can simply map up the location, even though you do have the options later on to tag the location. In our case, we are going to use the text just simply to pinpoint where is it, what is happening on the screen, because someone might be at work and not being able to actually listen or play the actual sound. Essentially, you can see there are plenty of other options on the site, but you're not gonna need all of them in most cases. In most cases, you're only gonna need the captions, the filters, the text, and in some cases some other functions. Next part is the sweetest part, the search engine optimization for the actual post. Let's start with the easy part. Let's map up the location. In our case, it's New York. Let's start with 2-3 sentences. Usually this is enough. If you optimize for the search engine, this will help you essentially to not only deliver the message, but find the right viewers for your video, people who are actually interested in this type of content. In our case, we are going to use a live concert in Central Park, and also we are going to include during the weekend, because this is another very popular search term. A lot of people are looking for things to do in the city over the weekend. Then of course the hashtags, FYP is supposed to be the first hashtag, more generic, but this is what people usually comes into the algorithm. Followed by, of course, we are having things to do in New York City, which is more niche down hashtag. And the last one, of course, is going to be weekend, because this is again niching down the topic of the video and the content in the video itself. Basically, that's it. Last but not least, you want to make sure that the cover of your video is arranged and it's attractive and it collects a lot of attention. So now all we gotta do is to click on select cover, something that you see on the top right corner. Usually you wanna pop something that had a zoom in footage. In some case that you will actually drag the curiosity into your video so people will click and see it. We choose a small part of the actual background of the foliage of the park. Basically, that's it. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit videos on the iPhone itself. Very easy guys, very simple. You can edit your videos for absolutely free. We did make a video about how you can edit your photos, so you want to make sure you watch this full in that 8-minute tutorial. Now I'm gonna show you how to do something similar with your videos over here. So first thing you want to do when you're at your video, as you can see over here, you want to go up to the edit button on the upper right corner. You want to click edit. So now our editing process begins over here. First thing first, you want to adjust the length of the video itself. As you can see over here, you can move it left, right, you can extend or reduce the duration of the video. So this is very important, and this is like I said, the very beginning, because you want to make sure that you're aware of the actual contrast and the whole information. On the upper left corner, you will see that we actually muted the video so it will not mix. We actually muted this video simply because we don't want to mix the voices and the sound from the video and me speaking to you guys. But you can actually unmute if you click over here. As you saw, we have two options, on and off. On the lower side of the screen, guys, you will have the option to adjust the actual video, the second function over here. Now, with the adjustments, we are going to proceed with the very basic first automatic adjustments. This is the function where people clicking and selecting when they are not willing to do the job individually. They're not willing to go through different elements. They're simply clicking this and they move on. In our example, we're not going to utilize this, and we're going to keep it at 0. We're going to proceed with individual edits. The first one of which is the actual exposure. Exposure is what sometimes appears to be when you took a very bright elements in the dark room or in the dark background. The exposure will help you again to reduce the difference between the both objects, the background and the focus image, so it will make it smoother. Otherwise, if it was like this, it will be very hard for you to see it. But now with the exposure, we can kind of mute both and make them to align. The second option is the highlights. This is where you are going to see how particular elements of the image are becoming alive and becoming much more natural. If you look at over here, how the car is getting much more alive, much more like a movie vibe, more vintage look versus the regular street image. The next option is the shadows. Shadows are helping you to reduce any brightness or any distraction around the image. So for example, if I want to have all the focus around the object next to the car, I'm going to increase the actual shadow, and now the focus will be on the car and on the person next to the car. If I want to do the opposite and have a general focus not on particular image or object, I'm gonna reduce the actual gap, and this is what is going to happen. Now everything is in focus. The next option is the contrast. This is where the colorful items will pop and everything else will become muted. As you see the shadow, you see how the shadow of the car is moving, the shadow of the person is moving and is getting darker and darker. The next one is the brightness. This is where a lot of people are actually not doing a good job. The brightness helps you only when you have a picture that is taken during the nighttime without a flashlight. In any other scenario, brightness simply could make small details from the image to disappear, and we don't want that. So be very careful with the brightness. The next one is the black point. I like this one because this simply could reduce the glare. Sometimes look at the reflections of the car, right? Look at the reflections of the person next to the car. Now when we increase the black point, this reflection simply disappears, reduces the glare and makes things much clearer. The next one is the saturation. This simply boosts the colors. So if there is something that is black and white, it's not going to make any difference on the image, but anything colorful will pop. Just watch the car. The car is red, right? See how the car turned into burgundy. You see how the shoes, the brown shoes, turn very colorful. And everything that was black remained black, everything that was white remained white. The next one is the vibrance. This is same as saturation, just a slightly lighter version. If I move around, you're not gonna see as crazy colors. You're gonna see much sharper outlook of the video itself, but not gonna be crazy. The next one is the warmth. This is very useful considering taking pictures outdoor or taking pictures of flowers or gardens, because sometimes you might take a picture of foliage and there might not be a sun, and you cannot take a nice warm autumn picture with a lot of colors if there is no sun. But if you have this function, you can simply increase the warmth and everything will get to its place. The colors will pop, even the dark sky will get a little warmer. The last options are the tint function. This is simply changing the tone of the colors. For example, the burgundy will change into different color. If we use the tint, now it gets a little greenish, right? It can go all the way to the yellow palette. Not so useful in my opinion, guys. The next one is the sharpness. This is where you can actually turn your image into a caricature. So if we increase this one, you will see that this is like an old vintage, like a comics hero, right? I think it's cool. The next one is the definition. So this is actually smooth all the caricature effects. Makes it again smooth, not so sharp, not so pointy. I like it. It definitely smooths the image and the overall picture. The next one, of course, will be the noise reduction. If you have any spots that are losing, that are making the picture looks not high quality, this is where you're gonna reduce this by simply utilizing the noise reduction. Last one is the vignette. Well, this is again not so useful. This brings, I would say, very small details sometimes to pop, but not always. Essentially, guys, this is everything that you need to know when you're editing your videos on your iPhone. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you easy and simple way that you can edit viral Instagram reel videos, okay? You're gonna do it inside the Instagram. You're not gonna need any third-party software or app. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Now guys, let's create a brand new post. Click on the lower center of the screen, hit the plus sign. Now let's try to slide on the side from post to reels. In this example over here, guys, I'm going to use this image over here and we're going to create reels out of it. Okay, so the first thing I want you to pay very close attention is to the upper settings. So first of all, if you click on the first one, you will be able to download the actual reel in this particular setting before you edit anything. The second one is essentially if you want to add the music sounds are over here. You can essentially pick from what is currently trending and you can actually search by the title. So if I go back, there is a search bar on top. You can search for an artist or you can search for an actual title of a song. You can include voiceovers, you can import music over here from your device, right? So plenty of options over here, guys. The next thing is that if you want to create a particular filter on top of it, you can simply utilize some of these that will change the way how your content looks like. Not too hype about it. This is usually for people who are more creative and they don't have like a straightforward content. The next option is if you want to include a particular sticker. In our case, you can include functions like captions, you can include links, you can include some of this stuff, or you can simply come over here and look for whatever you want to upload. If there is like a birthday celebration or something, you can always do it. But remember, everything has to align with the overall idea, right? If the guy who is driving the car is having a birthday, right, you can put it over here, or you can put it over here. When you're finishing with the overall simple editing, we want to click next. Then guys, you want to create your metadata, meaning you need to create a title, which in our case will be simple Ferrari Monza test drive. Okay, then you want to come down over here. Probably a lot of you wonder why I didn't use hashtags. If you look at the most recent updates from the Instagram algorithm, the most viral post didn't carry any hashtags. And also pay attention to the promoted content on the platform. Even the promotion ads didn't have hashtags on their own post, so pay very close attention. The other people know something that you don't. Now I'm going to click on tag people. In our case, I'm going to add tag with the actual brand, which is a Ferrari, right? And then we're going to proceed to including uh, audience. Our audience is everyone, simply because we want to generate more traffic. You can play with the topics. You can select a topic. For example, it could be cars, car enthusiasts, sports. It can be transportation, sports cars. Don't make it too niche down, okay? One, two categories I think will work the best. Next, you want to include the location. We are in Malibu in this particular picture, right? And I think that's basically all it, guys. Hit next and proceed with publishing, guys. This is how simple it is to edit your reels inside the Instagram app. You don't need CapCut, you don't need any complicated software. Everything is right over here, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.
Mango Animate Whiteboard Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Mango Animate, which is a pretty powerful animation video maker, and create one of the best whiteboard animations. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to mangoanimate.com. From here, you're going to click on Learn More on Mango WM. So here it is, Whiteboard Animation Video Maker. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy this product, and it says attract, engage, and explain stunning whiteboard videos created with Mango WM. It has pre-built templates. It has lively animations, free media library, large selection of hand types, powerful voiceovers, and a whole lot more. Then you get all these highlighted features as well, where it's easy to use, full multi-timeline editing, caption and audio features, lively 3D characters, share to everywhere, and easy output options. So how it works is what you're going to do is you're going to pick an object to get started, which is basically a blank whiteboard. You're going to edit your backgrounds, animations, captions, effects, etc. And then you have export and share, where you can export your videos and share them around. And it's pretty easy to use this. As you can clearly see, a really good and rough idea of how this stuff works. And yeah, that's the basic idea and basic concept of how we're going to work with this. So that's basically about it when it comes to Mango's whiteboard. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Clipchamp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Clipchamp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for your video editing. So Clipchamp is a new software that was released by the people at Microsoft, okay? And this is a software that allows you to get one of the best styles of video editing out there. Now, to start things off, you're going to go to clipchamp.com and you're going to go on try for free to create an account. And it's obviously a part of Microsoft, so you can actually get it from the Microsoft store. Okay. Now, once you go over there, it says quick and easy video editor, try for free, smart tools that help you create content. You have auto captioning, where you can automatically create accurate captions in over 140 languages with their speech to text technology, and you can convert it into readable caption in absolute minutes. Then you have text to speech, where you can convert any type of text into any speech. It's like an AI speaking, which is pretty incredible. You can resize your videos in the easiest way. And obviously, the video editor gives you a lot of things to work with. Create a video in your own way. You can bring your videos to life. You can enhance and elevate all your videos. And video editing in Clipchamp is absolutely for everyone. So for sure, I would definitely urge you users out there to create videos with Clipchamp, and everything will go your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Clipchamp video editing tips. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Clipchamp and all the video editing tips and tricks that you need. Now, Clipchamp is basically a new software that was introduced by Microsoft, okay? And what Clipchamp does for you is, it makes video editing a whole lot easier. So there's a lot of editing tips that you can gain from Clipchamp, okay? There's a lot of tips and tricks that you can get. So to start things off, first of all, you're going to install Clipchamp. So once you install Clipchamp, you can install it from their main website, or you can install it from your Microsoft Store. Now, from there, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, you have text to speech, okay? So text to speech is one of the best features, in my opinion, okay? It gives you any type of text, okay? And you can turn it into speech. You can write anything like, hi, my name is John, and it's going to get into speech. Then there's auto captions, where if a person is saying something, which is basically speech to text, okay? So whatever the person is saying, the captions are going to appear. Then you can resize a video. Like you can make a video big, make a video small without making it blurred. You have a speaker coach, and you can actually transform your videos with actual elements that you get. And if you get it for free, there's unlimited video creation with no watermark. And the video editing is for everyone. Okay. You can create it perfectly for creators. It's helpful for businesses and essential for all you educators out there. So that's the basic idea of Clipchamp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.